We understand that running a manufacturing business can take up all of your time. That's why we're on a mission to give you your weekends and nights back. We want you to spend more time on the reason you started your business. With Jobman, you'll have unparalleled control over all aspects of your operation. Send purchase orders, manage stock, and automate time-consuming processes to improve your business's efficiency. Jobman brings people together to create efficient teams and create customer satisfaction. Schedule jobs, manage projects, and get paid faster with profit-driven quotes. Our software integrates with your existing systems, automating data entry, so your team can focus on delivering excellent results. Plus, with our open API, Jobman grows with your business. Get ready for the future of manufacturing with Jobman Manufacturing Software.